Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post multiple haul videos, all different stores, love to find the deals, sales, flower store stuff I need, all that. So if you like shopping and all those different types of videos, definitely hit that subscribe button out there because you don't want to miss my videos. So today is going to be a couple different days, different stores, Dollar Tree haul. Why am I talking with my fingers so much? I don't know. But yeah, so far the past couple weeks I've really found nothing new. Like, I don't know what is with my local stores, but I'm just bored. So hopefully in this video or next couple videos we find new stuff. But for now, this is what we got. So this was 3 stores all today. So this whole probably a couple days, different stores, whatever. I'll shut up, let's get into it. First thing I got is this. The Driver's Choice Microfiber Wash Mitt. Use wet or dry, lifts dirt and grime without scratching and streaking finish. Yeah, my car is super dirty, so I was like, you know what, we're gonna get a car wash and we're gonna use this. So I got this for that reason. Next up, I did get something Halloween, which I know I keep saying I'm not gonna spend the $1.50, it's not worth it, but this I had to because it's the stackable pumpkin and I do not have this one. I have like I have the all orange, I have the orange, white, and orange. Yeah, orange, white, and yellow. But this one I did not have, and this is the all white. So I was like, you know what? I'm spending the $1.50. I have to have this one. So I got it, and I'm gonna build it. So this is her. I'm literally obsessed with the all white one. And I feel like I might get another one and like DIY it, to be honest, like glittery, whatever. I don't know. I might sound crazy, but I might. But I just think this is so cute. So yeah. So we got her for $1.50, which, whatever. Then I did get another pair of these Hanes socks. Anytime I see these, I grab these. These just fit me amazing, so got those. Then I did find another one of these bow little pencil holders, and I'm gonna put all my nice, like really good pens that I use constantly in this, and I'm gonna put this in my office drawer. So just got her. Then I got this notebook. Feeling good. Like I should. That's literally what I thought of when I saw it, and I was like, you know what? I have to have it. And it's just like, you know, typical notebook, but it's the quote that got me to get it, so we got her. Then I got some shoe charms because my Walmart Crocs, let's see, I think I have one right here. Yeah, my Walmart little Croc pencil cases, I'm going to put these charms on here. So I might make a short and do that actually. So I got this pack. Then we got this pack. Then we got this pack. So yeah, super fun, I guess. DIY. Okay, next up. Okay, these are normally from the plus section, but these were $1.25 at my store. So I got this storage bin, storage cube, for $1.25. And then I got this one, super cute. And again, these were $1.25. And then these huge ones that were normally $5 were $1.25 on sale. So score there. Then I picked up another one of these because these are very hard to find now, and I go through these like crazy. I replace my beauty blenders constantly. This is my favorite one, so we got her. Then my all-time favorite freaking blurring face powder, and this is a medium deep. This one is like fits my skin so good for some reason. It's not too dark and not too light, so I was very shocked. But so we got that. Favorite foundation ever. Then, from the Wildflowers collection, this is the San Fran lipstick. I'm obsessed with that one. Then, this is an oldie, but it's the Be Pure Green Tea Infused Lip Oil. I love this, and I was like, no way did I find it. So, we got her. Then, we got this by the Yes2 Coconut 2-Step Lip Kit with Coconut Hydrate, Dry Skin. So, exfoliating lip scrub and then plumping lip mask. So, I'm stoked about that. So, we got her. Then, again from the Wildflower collection, this is the Peace and Love lip crayon. I love lip crayons, so got her. Then finally I found this again. Another Dollar Tree item that I love and go through like insane because I use it multiple times. I mean, like every single night. So this is the Hydrating Lip Mask by Be Pure, so I got her. Then in one of my hauls recently, I got the coffee face mask, so I finally got the mask tool. Finally found it, so I can use this on that. We got the Ioni Fat Lip Chubby Stick Lip Liner and Lipstick in one, and this is Japan. This is an old collection. Bon Voyage was the collection, so we have that little lipstick. And then we have this one in Playa del Rey. Super cute. Then the last thing is the Lip Plumper Gloss in Rio de Janeiro. So, super, super cute. So these are very old collections, but the prices are going up, so I want to get them before they go up. Okay, day 2 of this video. I went to one store. It was like a real quick in and out store, but I scored, so I'm pretty freaking excited. So first off, I finally freaking found the Power Stick Liquid Hand Scope in Brazilian Mist, which is pistachio and salted caramel. I've been on the hunt for this since I've seen it on TikTok for months and never found it, but today I finally found it and I'm so stoked. So we got her. Also, my cat's laying right in front of my computer, so if you're wondering why I'm petting someone, it's my cat. Anyway, then I did get another one of these microfiber wash mitts. This is phenomenal. I literally dusted my whole entire living room yesterday with this in the blue, so I got this one for the car. Then I got the Brow Fiction in medium. I love this thing. I like to actually mix the light and medium together, and then it's literally my perfect brow shade. So if you guys haven't seen this, I'll open it and show you guys, because I love this. So it's actually like a straight dupe of the Benefit one. So we got this in the medium. Love this. Then we got this LA Colors Moisturizing Lip Gloss in Glazed. I never ever remember seeing this shade, but how pretty is that? So yeah, just the LA Colors lip gloss in Glazed. It reminds me of a literal glazed donut. Maybe that's why it's called that. Who knows? Then I got this. This is going viral. It's the Extra Care Hydro Plus Hydrating Cleansing Gel, fragrance free, and it's supposed to compare to the Neutrogena. So I got her to try. I have the face moisturizer of this, and I loved it. So now we're gonna try the face wash. So yay for that. Then I did get some Mod Podge. I got the matte and the gloss, and I got this because one of you, thank you, commented on my video about putting this on the coasters, and so I found this today, so thank you for the comment, because now I got my Mod Podge and I'm going to Mod Podge my coasters, so thank you. Then I did pick up another one of these Cozy Places candles. First off, this thing is huge. Second off, this smells amazing, and for $1.25, yes, so I got her. Then the last thing from today's portion is I got the Slim Little Elegant hair coils. I love these. These are fantastic. Okay, on to two Dollar Trees yesterday. This is what I got. So I got the LA Colors Roll-On Lip Oil and Watermelon, because like I said, all these collections are going up in price, so got that now. So we got the Watermelon. Then we got the Cream Gel Bronzer in Sunflower. Then we got the Lip Plumper in Superstition. I love this color, so Cinnamon Sugar is like the name. Then we got the Mac and Cheese 10 color pen, just because I always notebook and everything like that, so we got that. Then we got the You're Perfectly Flushed Perfection blush. And this one, this is more like a blush, not like a blush bronzer for me. So we got her. Then we got my all-time favorite ice roller. I have one in the freezer, one in the fridge, and this thing is freaking godsend, I swear. So I got two of these because these are such a hard find, and yeah, I just obsessed. So then we have a new item. This is the diamond painting bookmark. So you diamond paint it so it's like the coaster that I made, but it's a freaking bookmark. So we have this design. Then we have this design. Then we have this one. And these are still $1.25. We got this pattern. We got this pattern. It's like a green. Then the last pattern. Oh, I got 2 greens. Yeah, because I'm doing this one as a gift. But yeah, I'm definitely going to do like a short or just a whole video on all my me doing these if you guys want that. Then we got the 4-pack micro facial pads, and they have a red sticker, so that means these are going up in price soon, so get them now, literally. This price hike is, again, on my nerves. Then I got these elastics. They're like little Sherpa, and I'm obsessed with these, so we got those. Then I got some just shoe charms because my DIY Crocs. So we got this set. Okay, this is the same store. I just had to leave yesterday, so I'm in a new outfit. Whatever. Anyway, so then we got the vanilla ice cream lip balm. Love her. Then, while we're on the ice cream, we got the shimmer lip gloss in Candid, and it's the little, ice cream cone. Got her. Then we got the Magenta Plumping Gloss Lip Balm. I love this one, and I haven't seen it in forever. So when I saw it, I was like, snag, automatic. So we have the Magenta Lip Balm, and this really does plump your lips. I love it. Then I did just get a pack of the shoe charms, because as you know, I do the DIYs and stuff. So I got that little pack, and I'm going to do DIY videos, I promise. Then I got the shimmer lip gloss in Sweetie. So we have Sweetie and Candid. So we got those. Then we just got the lip gloss Cheeky and Peachy and Peach. The Cheeky lip Tints Lips Pink. And I actually have the other one on right now. But we got her. I love this peach collection. Then we got the Jelly Belly Cherry Lip Balm. So, yeah, and all of these are going up in price. I say that whenever I haul it. I don't know when the price change will be, but yeah, they have the red sticker. So, grab it now. Then we have the Strawberry Roll-On Lip Oil from the Wildflower collection. Love her. Then the Glow Getter collection, I got the Dragon Fruit Cheek and Lip Balm because my aunt wants to try it. So this is my favorite, so got her that. Then we got the LA Colors Shimmer Jelly Lip Gloss in Luminizer. I love this shade. So yeah, that is all from that store. So that completes my weekly haul. So yeah, I got some good stuff. I'm still on the hunt for a lot. The price hikes are a little bit insane, but what we're gonna do. But yeah, so the next video or next Dollar Tree haul will be my weekend haul. So yeah, if you guys see this outfit, it's because I'm filming it right after this. So yeah, but anyway, definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, ask you on the hunt for, subscribe and share the channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.